Hey everybody, I am back here again with another box, but it is a very, very special box this time. I feel a bit naked at the moment because I'm not wearing any jewellery. It feels empty, I feel unfinished, but that's because this box contains some very, very special jewellery. You may know that for the last quite a few years now I've been doing a bag and wallet collaboration with Avelina de Moray, who is a designer from Australia and just a very nice woman, and we are still doing the bags. I know quite a few of you have the bags and the wallets. I've seen a few in the wild. They stand out, they're super cool. There's actually one in here because I'm not near my own special Black Friday Avelina de Moray bag. I think there's one in here, so I'll show you that at the end. But anyway, she's branched out into jewellery. She said, how would you feel about doing a ring together? And I thought, okay, that would be pretty cool. And when we were deciding how they should look, I said, sorry if you can hear baby noises at any point. Montrose is in the room with me. So when we were deciding how they should look, I said, well, can the stones be coffins, but can they have bat wings? And she said, yes, they can. I thought it would be nice to have a really flash belfry bat themed ring for our wonderful belfry bat family on here. Kind of like how some schools have a levers ring, you know, something a wee bit special. Something to wear like a badge of honor. When we were designing the bags and the wallets and stuff years ago, I was like, oh, can they have like PVC but velvet and be black but like with blood red and have like bat stuff and maybe some spikes. Here's the stuff I like, and then she would take that away and turn it into something cool. So I've just like left the process with her because I trust her skills as a designer. So anyway, this time she has surprised me by not only designing a ring but also a matching pendant and earrings. I didn't know that was happening, so super cool. This is the first time I'm actually seeing them. I've seen mock-ups and pictures, but I've never actually seen the products in person. It is a risk putting your name on a product made by someone else, but I do trust her, and she's only made amazing things before. She's very fussy about quality and materials. Every single review of the bags and wallets, for example, has been outstandingly positive. There will of course be links below this video to all those things if you want to go, if you don't know what the bags and wallets look like, you can go have a wee look. They're meant to be kind of like me themed, but like designed by her, if that makes sense. Yeah. It's a whole collection like Black Friday by Avelina de Moray, and now there's jewellery. So let's open the box and have a look at them. I'm really excited to see them. Like, bye-bye. So this is the big reveal. Knocked my camera there. Never seen it. Putting my trust in her. Don't we love a good unboxing? Ooh. Ooh. Flash. She's got a very distinctive style, I think. It's quite sleek and sexy. I feel is how she like designs stuff. Ah, this must be a wallet, and this a men's wallet. Look at that, she's wrapped everything so beautifully. Black crepe paper, special branded ribbons. Anyway, you'll have a look at those at the end. This will be a bag, so we will look at that last. There's a wee letter with a picture of Danny Devine on it. Danny Devine actually looks that good in person. It is not fair. Hope you and your adorable family have been well. I couldn't be happier with how everything turned out. Oh, my love, Avelina. Oh, and a silver polishing cloth. Ooh, this box looks too cute to open. Wow, red lined velvet pouches. So flash. This looks like a ring box, so I guess this must be the ring. It's in its own special, very smooth box. Like I said, sleek and sexy. Drum roll, please. Oh, look at it. So pretty. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. Oh, it fits. It fits perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, the ring. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. It's so elegant and special. It's a belfry bat ring. I said I'd like it to be designed in such a way that the wings aren't like annoying, and they're not. She said the rings are designed specially to be comfortable on your finger, and they really are. It's smooth. It looks a little bit magical, don't you think? Don't you think it has a sort of magical quality to it? Very, very nice. I knew I could trust her. Now, like I said, there is also a matching pendant and earrings. What's this one? Ah, it's the earrings. Sorry, I just love this pouch. It says on the back BF times ADM. It's funny, it's my dad's initials too, actually, ADM. I always used to say it stood for after dinnerment. These are very sweet, very, very sweet. And they match like exactly. But let's have a close-up look. So these are the earrings, and they are hoop earrings. I got this sort of small hoop on them, so I guess that means you can wear them through normal piercings, but also you could wear them through tunnels. These. these things. Big holes. There's something so satisfying about a whole matching set of things, isn't there? I've got that many piercings in my ears. Not that I have enough. I need more. I can try putting them through an ordinary piercing and the tunnels. Got one through a tunnel. Can you see that? Bless you, baby. And the other one through an ordinary ear piercing. They're nice and light too. Alright. Whoop. Now for the necklace, I suppose. Oh. Big reveal. Once again, on the back we've got a wee BF times ADM. Does not stand for after dinner mint. Matching pendant. Oh, good solid chain. That's what I like to see. There's a wee coffin on the end. Don't know if it's going to focus and show you that. I like chains like this. Ones that you can adjust. Last, the ultimate test. Isn't that sweet? It's not too in your face, is it? I reckon you could wear this to work. It's very elegant, it's spooky, and it's not too big. You could totally like wear this to work. You could pull this off at an office job. Now we have the full matching set. They're made of quality stainless steel, but you can be extra fancy if you want to get them in sterling silver. Either way, I am assured that these are nickel free and will not discolor your skin like some cheap jewellery does. Not that this is cheap, this is good stuff. The sterling silver obviously costs more, but it comes in a cool coffin box. I feel like that would make a really nice romantic gift for the goth that you love in your life. Imagine opening up a coffin and inside is this beautiful ring with a black gemstone in it. The stones are high quality cubic zirconia. I wanted them just in like black or red, but Avelina has gone the extra step. You can get them in purple or green as well. Those happen to be your colours, or someone you loves colours. I think black just matches everything, you know, and obviously I like red too. Everybody suits red. It's the colour of blood. It looks good on everyone. The jewellery is currently on pre-order, so there will be a wait between ordering and receiving. Basically, the sooner you pre-order, the sooner everything can get made and sent out to its new homes. Apparently the sterling silver ones will take a wee bit longer, but I expect it'll be worth the wait, and it'll be even more exciting when it arrives in the post. Also, this jewellery is getting made in batches, so when batch 1 is sold out, it might be a bit more of a wait for batch 2. So basically, if you would like to own these or get them to give to somebody, get in there as soon as you can. There's been a lot of interest in pre-orders already, so Avelina's pretty confident that the first batch is just gonna disappear, so best to strike while the iron's hot and get in there quickly so you don't have to wait too long. Everything on Avelina's website is listed in Australian dollars, so don't be confused, but that obviously automatically converts into whatever your currency is, like US dollars or pounds. And yes, they ship all over the world. Avelina's also done a launch video on her YouTube channel if you want to go watch that as well, if you want to see the person that I'm talking about. Now let's have a wee look just to remind you of the wallets and bags. I'm so stoked because I haven't got one yet. Like I said in my recent house tour video, all our stuff is still in storage on the other side of the country. I've been using one of these. I know a few people who've been using one for years since they came out. My mum still has one, like that's the wallet she uses, and they're just great, you know, like they last. I get that many compliments on it as well. You whip it out at the supermarket checkout and they go, oh, that's nice, isn't it? Say, yes it is. I feel bad destroying her like beautiful wrapping. These also come in different colors, by the way. The classic red interior, or you can also get black velvet interior or purple or green, I think. I'm so happy I have another one. They're so beautiful, they're so nice, and they last and last and last. It's like the ladies' wallet because we ladies like to carry a lot of things with us. Membership and loyalty cards and things. And this one's the men's wallet. Of course, you know, both of them are unisex really, but this one's like a smaller slip wallet designed to be like attached to a chain and put in the pocket, which is more what dudes do. This one's got like white logo on the inside, I guess, since she's updated her logo, so it's like newer than the one I've got. Some of these things, as you can see, have the sigil of Lucifer on them, which to me is a very positive thing, but not because not everybody wants the sigil of Lucifer on something that they carry on their person all the time. There is always the option to not have that. One of my good friends has had one for years and it suits him. It just does. Honestly, like these things are all gonna match as well. They're all bat wings and black shiny shit. It's all gonna look good together. They look so impressive. Like I've seen lots of you posing on Instagram with your It's Black Friday bags. They look so cool. They photograph well, you know. Aren't they cool? So cool to see a beautiful, brand, shiny new one. I'm so happy to be reunited with my cool me themed bag. How cool is it really to have like this bag and like pull out a matching wallet So there we go. Now we've seen them. The beautiful ring, the wee necklace, the lovely earrings. I'm not sure. I was about to say, I'm like, which one do I like the best? But obviously they're all kind of matching. So I'll probably wear all of them all the time. I think they would go with just about everything I wear. My style flips between 1980s and 1880s. I feel like these things would work for all of that. It would work for just about every kind of look I do. I think you'll be seeing all of these a lot in the future. I expect that they will last a long time, because like I said, she's so particular when it comes to the quality of materials. Like I said, it's a risk putting your name on a product that's made by somebody else, but Avelina's also got her name on these things, so her name represents exceptional attention to quality and detail. I will of course link everything below this video so you can go have a wee look. I think I might have to put this wee picture of Danny Devine on my wall. No, I'll probably just get jealous. That was really exciting. Thank you so much for joining me on this official launch video of the official Avelina de Moray Black Friday jewellery set. Ooh, I feel so fancy. Now I want to go out on a date or something so I can wear them and carry the bag and the wallet. What do you think? Do you like them? Would you wear these? I just think they'd make such a nice gift. Especially like the whole set. Like who wouldn't be stoked with that? I guess if you see someone wearing these, whether it be in the black, red or purple or green version, you'll know that you are encountering another Belfry bat in the wild. I'm honoured really to be part of this collaboration. Also, if you're watching this and you happen to own a gothic or alternative fashion store and you would like to have these things in your shop, go to the retailer's link on Avelina's website and she can sort that out for you. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. We are nice people and we would like to have you amongst us and our niceness. As always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, stay spooky and sparkly, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Spend some time to dance with her. You want to see